Hello everybody! Today I'm gonna share with you an idea for a quick and easy bracelet. I'll be using two colors, hot pink and black, for a nice contrast. These two colors of mine are from a thicker paper, so make sure you twist it a little bit before rolling it in order to get a smooth coil. The next step is rolling the half strips into a circle. I did not use a whole strip because I want to end up with a small and elegant bracelet with tiny pieces. Next, I shape the circles into oval shapes. I previously made more of these to be prepared, and then I glued them into a small double colored flowers formed from 4 pieces. I used some metal rings to connect the small flowers, and actually this was the hardest work I did, connecting these rings with every corner of our flowers. After all of this is done, I only have to add the lock to get my final result. And that's it. I really hope you like this cute jewelry item because it is very simple to make and you have so many color, shape and model options. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. Also, let me know in a comment what other color combinations you would use for this bracelet model. Take care!